Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech A11Y Usha and myself Usha. In this podcast, I'll be demonstrating how to generate or insert random text or dummy text in Word document. You can otherwise call this kind of text as placeholder text or filler text. Also, I'll be demonstrating how to customize the length of this text. I'll be demonstrating this with JAWS Screenreader. However, you can try the same with any of the screen reader you want. You can try either with NVDA or with Narrator. Firstly, let's try to understand what is the need to generate or insert such kind of random or dummy text in Word document. Well, suppose if you're a student who is trying to learn about Word application, then definitely you need some kind of text in Word document in order to explore various features in Word application, isn't it? Like suppose if you want to perform certain tasks like applying format to a text, or if you want to perform some edit actions like cut, copy, paste, then definitely you need some kind of text in the document. Similarly, if you are a software tester, you need such kind of text in Word document in order to test various features in Word application. Like suppose if you want to apply format to a text and test it, or if you want to test the edit actions like text cut, copy, paste, then definitely you need text in the document. So what we usually do is we just type in one or two words and just play around with those two words. And if we want more text in the document, what we do? We just copy paste it from some other source, maybe from the website or maybe from some other document, isn't it? So here in this podcast, I'll be demonstrating how to generate or insert three types of random text or dummy text in Word document by typing just a simple formula. By doing so, you can instantly generate or get more text in the document, and hence you can avoid copy pasting text from any other source. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. First, let's see how to generate or insert random English text. Okay, so in order to generate random English text, you need to type in a very simple formula, and the formula is equal to sign rand, R-A-N-D, left parent, right parent. And after typing in this formula, you need to just hit enter. Okay, so I'll just type in this formula. Here I have created a blank Word document. There is no text in this document, so I am typing in this formula equal to sign rand,
R,
capital R I have typed. If you want, you can even type small letter R,
A,
small letter I am typing,
N,
D, capital R, small letter A and D. Okay, and then left parent. So in order to type left parent, you need to press shift plus 9. The number 9 which is present above QWERTY keyboard, that is the top row 9. Okay,
left parent,
then right parent. So for right parent, you need to press shift plus 0.
right parent,
So I have typed the formula equal to sign capital R, small a and d, that is R A N D, then left parent, right parent. Now I am hitting enter.
enter,
Okay, after hitting enter, just go to top of the document by hitting Control Home.
top of file, video provides a powerful way to,
So as you can notice, like random text got generated here. Okay, so let's see.
to make, video provides a powerful way to help you.
So when you type in this formula, what happens is random English text with 5 different paragraphs, each with 3 different sentences get created or generated. Okay, so let's see. This is the first paragraph.
Video, to make, video provides a powerful way to help you prove your point. When you click online video, you can paste in the embed code for the video you want to add. You can also type a keyword to search online for the video that best fits your document.
So this is the first paragraph. So I'm going to next paragraph by hitting Control down arrow.
To make your document look professionally produced, Word provides header, footer, cover page, and text box designs that complement each other. For example, you can add a matching cover page, header, and sidebar. Click Insert and then choose the elements you want from the different galleries.
I'll go to third paragraph.
Themes and styles also help keep your document coordinated. When you click Design and choose a new theme, the pictures, charts, and smart art graphics change to match your new theme. When you apply styles, your headings change to match the new theme.
I'll go to fourth paragraph.
Save time in Word with new buttons that show up where you need them. To change the way a picture fits in your document, click it and a button for layout options appears next to it. When you work on the table, click where you want to add a row or a column and then click the plus sign.
Okay, I'll go to the fifth paragraph by hitting Control down arrow again.
Reading is easier too. In the new reading view, you can collapse parts of the document and focus on the text you want. If you need to stop reading before you reach the end, Word remembers where you left off, even on another device.
Okay, this is the fifth paragraph. So let's check if there is any other paragraph by hitting Control down arrow.
Blank.
Okay, so JAWS read out blank. So that is the that means that was the last paragraph. Okay, I'll go back to the last paragraph by hitting Control up arrow. So Control up arrow will take you to previous paragraph.
Reading is easier too.
Okay, reading is easier. So this is the last paragraph. So 5 different paragraphs got generated, and as I said, 5 different paragraphs, each with 3 different sentences get generated. So let's check this last paragraph. Okay, I'll go to next sentence in this paragraph.
You can collapse parts of the document.
Okay, you can collapse. Let me come back to the first sentence in this paragraph.
Reading is easy.
So I'm hitting Alt up arrow for previous sentence, and to go to next sentence I'm hitting Alt down arrow. Okay.
You can. Reading is easier too in the new reading view.
So this is the first sentence in this last paragraph. I'm hitting Alt down arrow to go to next sentence.
You can collapse parts of the document and focus on the text you want.
This is the second sentence in this last paragraph. I'll hit Alt down arrow again to go to next sentence.
If you need to stop reading before you reach the end, Word remembers where you left off, even on another device.
This is the third sentence. Let me cross check if there are any other sentences. I'll hit Alt down arrow again.
Blank.
No. JAWS read out blank. That means that was the last sentence. In this way, you can generate random English text just by typing in very simple formula, that is equal to sign RAND, R-A-N-D, left parent, right parent. After typing in this formula, you have to just hit enter. Okay, so when you type this formula, by default 5 different English paragraph, each with 3 different sentences get generated or inserted. Okay. Second type of text that I would be demonstrating here is like how to generate the classic "the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog" text. Now the beauty of this text is like, in this sentence you can find all the English alphabets. So in order to generate this text, you need to type in a very simple formula. You can call it as a formula, you can call it as a function, or you can even call it as a command. So the command, function or formula you need to type in is equal to sign rand dot old left parent right parent. I'll just spell it out. Equal to sign RAND dot or full stop old OLD left parent right parent. Okay. So after typing in this formula or function, you need to just hit enter. So this formula equal to sign rand dot old left parent right parent sounds almost similar to the formula that we use to generate type 1 text, isn't it? But the difference is, in type 1 text, the formula that we used was equal to sign rand left parent right parent. But here in type 2 text, the formula that we are going to use is equal to sign rand dot old left parent right parent. That is dot old is added extra here. So it's called as rand dot old function or rand dot old command or rand dot old formula. Alright. Now why old here? Because this command rand.old was available in the older versions of Office, that is 2003 and below versions. Okay, so it's available in the latest version as well. So if you want to generate this text, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, you can just type in this function. Okay, so when you type in this formula or function or command, what happens is, by default, 3 similar paragraphs, each paragraph having 3 similar sentences gets generated. Okay, so let's see. First I'll clear the document. I'll just delete the previous data. I'll do select all by pressing Ctrl A
1328 character
and delete it.
blank.
Now I have cleared the document. Now this document is totally blank. I'll just type in the formula
Equals
equal to sign
R
A
N D period
period means full stop,
O L
D rand dot old. So this rand and old I have written in small letter. If you want, you can type it in capital letter as well. It doesn't make any difference. Okay. Next, you need to type left paren. For that, you need to press shift plus number 9.
Left paren.
Then right paren, shift plus 0.
Right paren.
Okay. So to type right paren, I just pressed shift plus 0. So after typing in this function equal to sign rand dot old left paren right paren, just hit enter.
Enter.
Now go to top of the document by hitting Ctrl Home.
Top of file. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
Okay, so as you can hear, the text, the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, got generated. Okay, so as I told before, like when you type in this formula, by default 3 similar paragraphs, each with 3 similar sentences get generated. Okay, so I am at the first paragraph. I'll go to next paragraph by hitting Ctrl down arrow.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy misspelled grammar dog. The end grammar. Quick brown fox jumps over the lazy misspelled dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
Okay, this is the second paragraph. I'll hit Ctrl down arrow again to go to third paragraph.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy misspelled grammar dog. The end grammar. Quick brown fox jumps over the lazy misspelled dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
Okay, this is the third paragraph. I'll just hit Ctrl down arrow to check if any other paragraph is there.
Blank.
Blank. So that means only 3 paragraphs. So as you noticed, when I was navigating from paragraph to paragraph, same kind of text, that is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, the same text is repeated in each paragraph. Okay, in each paragraph 3 similar sentences, same sentences are repeated thrice in each paragraph. Okay, so this is how you can generate the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog text. Third type of text that I would be demonstrating here is like how to generate random meaningless Latin text, which is usually called as Lorem Ipsum text. Okay, Lorem Ipsum, Lorem Ipsum. The first 2 types of text that I demonstrated was like, how to generate meaningful English text, isn't it? But here in type 3, I'll be demonstrating how to generate random meaningless Latin text, that is Lorem Ipsum text. Okay. So the formula or the function or the command that you need to type in is equal to sign Lorem, 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 left parent, right parent. And after typing in this formula, you need to just hit enter. Okay, make sure you don't give any space while writing the formula. Same applies in type 1 and type 2 as well. Like while typing type 1 and type 2 formula, make sure you don't give any space. Okay, so let's see. I'll just clear the document first by hitting Ctrl.
Selected the quick brown fox. Blank.
Now the document is clear. There is no text in the document. I'll just type in the formula.
Equals.
Equal to sign.
L.
L.
O.
O.
R.
R.
E.
E.
M.
M. Okay. I have typed in small letter. You can type even in capital letter. It doesn't make any difference. And then next, left parent. So shift 9 I need to press.
Left parent.
And right parent. So for right parent, shift 0.
Right parent.
Okay, and hit enter.
Enter.
So when you type this formula, equal to sign lorem left parent right parent, and hit enter, by default 5 paragraphs each with 3 sentences get generated. Okay, so I have typed in, I just invoked enter key. Now I'll go to top of the document by hitting Control Home.
Top of file. Lorem Ipsum dollars in a med consecutive to rat.
Okay, so you can hear Jaws reading some kind of meaningless text. Okay, I'll just make it read again. Now I'm at the first paragraph. Let me check other paragraphs. I'll go to another paragraph by hitting Control down arrow. This is second paragraph. I'll go to third paragraph. Third, fourth, 5. And if I hit Control down arrow again,
blank.
So that means by default 5 paragraphs got generated. Okay, now I'll just make Jaws read any of the paragraph.
Suspendus dui purus, celeriscat, volputate vidi, pretium matis, nunc, moris egit negat sam venenidus elephant, nami.
So we are not able to understand, right? So that's what. A meaningless Latin text is, it got generated here. So this is called Lorem Ipsum text. Okay, so this is how you can generate, meaningless Latin text. In this way, you can generate different types of text in Word document and just play around with the text, to test various features in Word application, or being a student, you can just learn different features in Word, okay? Or even if you want to give any kind of demonstration, you can just, type in very simple formula and generate the text instantly in the document instead of copy pasting it from any other source, okay? Now that we have seen how to generate or insert 3 types of random text, now let's see how to customize the length of text, or how to customize number of paragraphs and number of sentences within a paragraph that gets generated after typing a formula. When I say we can customize, I mean you can control the number of paragraphs that gets generated and the number of sentences that get generated within a paragraph. Now let's take the example of type 1 text. In type 1 text, what was the formula that we have used? We have used equal to sign, rand, left parent, right parent, isn't it? So when you type in this formula and hit enter, what happened? By default, 5 different English paragraphs, each paragraph with 3 different sentences got generated, isn't it? Now what if you want only 3 paragraphs, each paragraph having 5 sentences to get generated? So if you ask me, can we do that? Yes, definitely we can do that. We can customize number of paragraphs and number of sentences. So the formula to customize number of paragraphs and number of sentences is equal to sign rand left parent a comma b right parent. Okay, now I am giving this example, this formula for type 1 text. You can just do the same for type 2 and type 3 text as well. Okay, so equal to sign rand left parent a comma b right parent, where a is number of paragraph and b is number of sentences. Okay, for instance, if you want 3 paragraphs, each paragraph having 5 sentences, then you need to type the formula equal to sign rand left parent 3 comma 5 right parent. Got it? Without giving a space, 3 comma 5. So this value 3 refers to number of paragraphs and phi refers to number of sentences. Okay, so let's see. I'll just clear the document.
Selected. Lorem Ipsum blank.
Okay, now document is cleared. Now I'll type in the formula to customize type 1 text. That is, instead of 5 paragraphs each with 3 sentences getting generated, now I'll try to customize it to 3 paragraphs, each paragraph having 5 sentences. Okay, so the formula that I need to type is equal to sign
RAND left parent 3, 5 right parent.
Okay, no space. I'll just repeat the formula that I have typed. Equal to sign RAND left parent 3, 5 right parent. No space. So here the value 3, 5. This value 3 refers to number of paragraphs and 5 refers to number of sentences. Okay. So in the similar way, the formula for type 2 and type 3 would be, for type 2 you need to type in the formula equal to sign rand.old left parent a, b right parent. Okay, so in the place of a you need to input the value of number of paragraphs you want, and in the place of b you need to input the value of number of sentences you want in each paragraph. For type 3 the formula would be equal to sign lorem left parent a, b right parent. Okay, so after typing in the formula you have to just hit enter. Now I'll go to top of the document by hitting Control Home.
Top of file. Video provides a powerful way.
Yes, text got generated. Now let's check whether 3 paragraphs each with 5 sentences got generated or not. So this is first paragraph. I'll go to next paragraph by hitting Control down arrow.
Click insert and then.
So this is second paragraph. I'll go to third paragraph.
To change the way a picture.
So third paragraph. I'll hit Control down arrow again to check if any other paragraph is there. Blank. So that means only 3 paragraphs got generated. Now let's check the number of sentences in each paragraph. I'll just go to any one paragraph.
To change the way a to change the way a picture.
Okay. I'm at last paragraph now.
Change 2.
So to change. It's starting with to change. So to go to next sentence, Alt down arrow. To go to previous sentence, Alt up arrow. So Alt down arrow I'll do.
When you work on the table, click.
Okay, I'll go to first sentence. Alt up arrow I'll do.
To change the way a picture fits in your document, click it and a button for layout options appears next to it.
So this is first sentence. I'll hit Alt down arrow.
When you work on the table, click where you want to add a row or a column and then click the plus sign.
Second sentence, I'll hit Alt down arrow again.
Reading is easier too in the new reading view.
Third sentence.
You can collapse parts of the document and focus on the text you want.
Fourth sentence.
If you need to stop reading before you reach the end, Word remembers where you left off even on another device.
Fifth sentence. I'll hit Alt down arrow to cross check if any other sentence is there.
Blank.
So that means 3 paragraphs got generated and each paragraph is having 5 sentences. Okay. So this is how you can customize number of paragraphs and sentences. One very important point to be noted here, friends, you will be able to generate this kind of random text or dummy text, or what you can otherwise call it as placeholder text or filler text, only when the option replace text as you type is in enable state in the backstage. Okay, if it is in disabled state, even if you type in the formula function or command and hit enter, you won't be able to generate this kind of random text. So I'll just show you where to enable and disable replace text as you type option. Okay. So in order to enable or disable it, first you need to go to file menu by hitting Alt F. I'm hitting Alt F.
Alt F, menu, home, Alt followed.
And then I'm hitting down arrow till I find options option. Okay, I'm hitting down arrow.
New, open, info, save, print, share, export, transfer, close, office update, feedback, options.
Okay, options. Here I'll hit enter.
List box word options, general 1 of 12.
So JAWS read out general 1 of 12. So here you need to hit down arrow till you find proofing option.
Display, proofing.
Okay, proofing. So here you need to hit tab. Okay, not enter, you need to hit tab here.
Proofing, autocorrect options, button, Alt plus A.
So this is the option, auto correct option. You need to invoke this option by hitting enter. I'm hitting enter.
Replace edit, Alt plus R, word options dialog, auto.
So when you invoke this option, auto correct, by default it lands on replace edit box. So from this replace edit box, you need to hit shift tab once.
Replace text as you type checkbox checked, Alt plus T.
So this is the option, replace text as you type, JAWS read out, checkbox checked. It is checked now. That's why when I am writing the formula and hitting enter, I am able to generate the random text. Okay, let me disable it now.
Space not checked.
Okay, now I have unchecked it by hitting space.
Replace text as you type checkbox not checked, Alt plus T.
Okay, I have unchecked it. Now I'll tap to OK button and hit enter.
Replace with accept OK button.
Okay, I'm hitting enter.
Document 1-word.
I'm hitting
escape, edit, escape.
Okay, now I have disabled that option. Now I'll just show you. I'll just type in the type 1 text.
Equal
RAND. Rand means random. Okay, RAND, then left parent, right parent. Okay, now I have typed the formula. I'm hitting enter. Now I'll go to top of the file or top of the document by hitting Control Home and check whether the text got generated or not.
Top of file equals grammar rand left parent and grammar right parent.
No. So text did not get generated. Instead, JAWS read out whatever the formula I typed it. Okay, because that option replace text as you type is disabled. So if you want to generate the text after writing the formula, you make sure that that option replace text as you type is in enable state in the backstage. Okay. That's all for today, friends. If this podcast was helpful to you, do give a thumbs up, share it, and hit the bell icon to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Usha signing off. See you in next podcast. Take care and have a great day.